Arithmetic sequence. So what is arithmetic sequence? It is a sequence in which each term after the first term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the previous term. 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, where a sub 1 is equal to 4, a sub 2 is equal to 7, a sub 3 is 10, a sub 4 is 13, and a sub 5 is 16. Let's find out if this sequence is arithmetic sequence. Solution. Subtract a sub 2 to a sub 1, a sub 3 to a sub 2, a sub 4 to a sub 3, and a sub 5 to a sub 4. So you can see they have the same differences. So this difference is called the common difference of the sequence. So 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 is an example of arithmetic sequence. Let's have another example. Identify whether the given sequence is arithmetic or not. If it is an arithmetic sequence, find the common difference. A. 7, 15, 23, 31, and 39, where a sub 1 is 7, a sub 2 is 15, a sub 3 is 23, a sub 4 is 31, and a sub 5 is 39. So subtract a sub 2 to a sub 1. 15 minus 7 equals to 8, a sub 3 minus a sub 2, a sub 4 minus a sub 3, and a sub 5 minus a sub 4. So they have the same differences, and this difference is the common difference of the sequence. So 7, 15, 23, 31, and 39 is an example of arithmetic sequence. Letter B. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, where a sub 1 is 1, a sub 2 is 3, a sub 3 is 6, a sub 4 is 10, and a sub 5 is 15. Based from the sequence, what do you think? It is arithmetic or not? So let's find out. Subtract a sub 2 to a sub 1, a sub 3 to a sub 2, a sub 4 and a sub 3, and a sub 5 is to a sub 4. So, based from this differences, they don't have the same difference. So, this sequence is not arithmetic sequence. Next, another example. 9, 4, -1, -6, -11, where a sub 1 is 9, a sub 2 is 4, a sub 3 is -1, a sub 4 is -6, and a sub 5 is -11. So solution, subtract a sub 2 to a sub 1, a sub 3 to a sub 2, a sub 4 to a sub 3, and a sub 5 to a sub 4. Where you can see -5 is their common difference. So the sequence 9, 4, -11 is an example of arithmetic sequence. Based from our examples, we can now generalize an arithmetic sequence whose first term a sub 1 and the common difference d. So a sub 1 is equals to a sub 1, next is a sub 2 is equals to a sub 1 plus d, and a sub 3 is equals to a sub 2 plus d, or we can say a sub 1 plus d, or a sub 1 plus 2d. Then a sub 4 minus is equals to a sub 3 plus d, a sub 1 plus 2d plus d, and a sub 1 plus 3d. Next is a sub 5 is equals to a sub 4 plus d is equals to a sub 1 plus 3d plus d, or a sub 1 plus 4d. In this generalization, we can now say that a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, where an is the nth term of the sequence, and n number of terms, and d is the common difference. Let's have an example number 3. Find the 50th term in the arithmetic sequence 3, 10, 17, 24, where a sub 1 is 3, a sub 2 is 10, a sub 3 is 17, and a sub 4 is 24. First, determine the common difference. A sub 2 minus a sub 1, a sub 3 minus a sub 2, a sub 4 minus a sub 3, and the common difference is 7. Second, use the formula in finding the nth term, where a is equals to 3, t is 7, and n is 15. We have a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then substitute the given values. A sub 15 is equals to 3 plus 15 minus 1 times 7. Perform the operation. So 3 plus 14 times 7. Then add. So our 50th term is 101. Our last example. What is n if a sub n is 25 in the sequence 3, 5, 7, and 9, where a sub 1 is 3, a sub 2 is 5, a sub 3 is 7, and a sub 4 is 9. First, we must determine the common difference. So a sub 2 minus a sub 1, a sub 3 minus a sub 2, a sub 4 and minus a sub 3. So their common difference is 2. Second, use the formula in finding the n, where a is equals to 3, z is equals to 2, n is unknown, and a sub n is 25. We have a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Substitute the given values. 25 is equals to 3 plus n minus 1 times 2. Apply the distributive property. 25 is equals to 3 plus 2n minus 2. Then combine numerical terms. 25 is equals to 1 plus 2n. Add negative 1 to both sides. So 25 minus negative 1 is equals to 1 plus 2n minus 1. So divide both sides by 2. 24 over 2, 22n over 2. So n is 12. Thank you for listening to my discussion. Just click the link below for exercises. God bless.